Welcome to the next section, and this section is titled Next Steps, and this specific session is titled Marketing Your Course. Now, both before and after your course is live, you will need to dedicate some time to spreading the word of its release in order to attract students and to spur enrollment in your course. There are a variety of sites and methods that you can use to make others aware of the existence of your course, and here I'm including just a few ideas. Keep in mind that, like you, I'm an instructor, and marketing, although I've done a lot of research and reading on the topic, is not my forte. But let me give you some ideas as to some things that you can do. First and foremost, create social media presence. Post announcements along with any other coupon links on social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Now, on Facebook, you should post to both your personal profile and your business page. If you don't have a business page, you should consider creating one. Also, there are many Facebook groups that allow you to post information regarding the release of your Udemy course and any links to any coupons. You can also pay for ads on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. Now, another thing is that if you happen to have a website, post announcements to your blog or your website. If you don't have a blog or a website, you may consider getting these, as they are excellent tools for sharing your knowledge and spreading the word regarding your course or courses that you teach. Also, you can upload a promo video, the promo video that was recorded for your course. You can upload it to YouTube if you have a YouTube account, and again, you can add the link, any coupon links that you may want to include that may attract prospective students. So there are a variety of methods by which to market your course. You can take a course or conduct research and select the method or methods that work best for you. As I mentioned, I post my promotional videos for every course. You'll find them under my business name, Inspirit Books, or under my name, Lilia Fallgatter. And you can see examples of what I have done. And also the same thing for Facebook and Twitter. My account name on both of those is Inspirit Books, as well as Instagram on Instagram. So in any event, that will give you some idea as to the types of things that I'm doing. But without you doing the work to get the word out or paying for advertisements, it basically leaves you to rely on the promotions that Udemy does. And actually, Udemy does amazing promotions. They actually have promotions that are highly engaging and that students respond to very well. So that is another avenue. But again, you can't just rely on Udemy. It's important to take action yourself. I'm happy to discuss any questions that you may have regarding marketing of your course. You can certainly post questions within the course as well.